Hello friends, today we are going to introduce a heritage car, an iconic car of India. Mostly politician and taxi driver prefer to use this car. It's like a battle tank. It doesn't require any introduction. It's one and only Ambassador. Let's start the video. I've opened the bonnet. It's come with 1.5 liter diesel engine. This is the coolant chamber, battery, fuel pump, brake oil chamber, steering oil chamber, and this is the radiator, which is directly connected to the coolant chamber. It doesn't require any water. And this is the dynamo, the power supply. Now I'm inside the car. So this is the speedometer and steering. This is the ampere meter, fuel gauge, and heat meter, and this is the mobile meter. So let's start the car. Wow, started. This meter is moving on because mobile is recycling. It's ready to start. Now I'm driving this car. It's really fantastic. I'm just in local area right now. The road is too narrow. Be careful about the road and the people, because this is a very heavyweight car and massive car, so it's required so many very wide places to move on. So you need to be careful in road area. The brakes are not too good as well as the modern car. So we need to keep this car in our control because it's 1680 kilo. So it matters. So enjoy the ride. It's not possible for everyone to drive this car because who are used to this modern car, they have power steering, disc brake. It's also good, but it doesn't have that type of thing. Power steering, disc brake, it has drum brake. So I'm used to in this car, so I can ride it very comfortably. This is the main road. Start with the main road. Condition is not good, but don't worry, this car is compatible for all kind of roads. Road is very good. It's a stumpy road of Barasat. Like a battle tank, and engine sound is very loud, so vibration is more as compared to the petrol car. But I love this car because it's very durable and very powerful. You can move this car more than 100, but it's not required. It's better to keep the speed within 50 because it's a heavyweight car.
advantages and disadvantages. So ambassador car also have disadvantages because it's a very massive car and takes a lot of place to U-turn, because it's very hard to make a U-turn in narrow roads. So it is very tough to park in the car here and there. You can't park it here and there because it requires very big place. As I also mentioned earlier, that it's like a battle tank. So if you have this heritage car, so I would suggest don't sell it. Update the papers, maintain it well, and use it, because the parts price of this car is very low and it's easily available here and there. So I'm from Kolkata. You'll get all the ambassador parts in Malik Bazaar. So it's not very hard to take the parts from the market. You can purchase from everywhere. Now it's time to return.
So, how was the ride? Fantastic, na? If you like it, so like the video and share and subscribe my channel, because your love gives us the inspiration to come up with the new videos. And one more important information, if you have this type of car or bikes which is heritage and very old, yet not registered it online, so go to your near RTO office with smart card and insurance copy and register it online. Otherwise you will not be able to update the paper on. So do it, and see you soon with the next video.